you guys. Happy New Year. It's I think the 4th of January right now. You guys, I've been down and out so sick since December 26th. When I last talked to you guys about how I was like so sick after my birthday, I've been taking all the ginger shots, all the vitamins. I've been trying to push through because I had to work. I was up until literally 4 a.m. last night because I couldn't sleep. I was just so congested and clogged. I literally was gurgling like salt water at 4 a.m. to try to break it up a little bit. And then I woke up this morning with a gnarly cough. Fortunately, it seems like it's getting worse rather than getting better. I do have a work party tonight. I'm unsure if I will be in attendance because I think I've been trying to push through and thinking, oh, if I take all the ginger shots and the vitamins, eventually, you know, I'll beat it. But I've honestly just been getting worse rather than getting better. So I might need to focus on my health and stay home tonight. It's also been snowing like crazy the last few days. And especially right now, like it's been on and off snowing. It's like a light snow right now, but in about 5 minutes, it'll go full blizzard again. And I'm like out of breath from just talking to you guys. I don't think I've been this sick in years. I'm gonna make some banana pancakes today for me and Keen's because I really want to use my KitchenAid that I got for my birthday, and I'm obsessed with her and she's amazing. And then I'm thinking for today, since I really just want to like lay down and chill, I'm gonna maybe make my vision board for 2026. I thought that would be fun. I think that's what is probably maybe the most you're gonna get out of me. Maybe I'll redo my nails because all that is like sitting at a desk, but I tend to push myself further than I need to when I'm sick because I can't sit down. Like I need to. I feel like I'm being lazy. Let's make some banana pancakes and try to get back to our health and wellness today. Maybe make a vision board. I think that's a great thing to do because I can literally just do that on the couch on my computer. This is gonna be, I think, my 3rd vision board that I've done. So I feel like I've got it down, and I also feel like I know what I want from this year. It's my golden year because I had my 25th birthday on December 25th in 2025. So I feel like this year is gonna be golden. I think that'll be really good for the vision board. Anyway, let's make some banana pancakes. Banana pancakes are done. The kitchen smells so good now that I've made these. I think they're gonna be really good. It's Sunday morning, so I'm loving banana pancakes. But I love like the sun shines perfectly through the living room and then into the kitchen. And I genuinely love baking at this time because the lights just display beautifully on like the wood cutting boards and in the kitchen. It just feels very like magical and I just love it. I think the pancakes were so good. I'm so congested I couldn't even taste them. Keen said they were really good, so I'll trust his word. I am gonna clean the kitchen, so then that's done and I can relax. I finished cleaning the kitchen, which honestly feels so good. And my friend Courtney, for my birthday, she got me a Jo Malone candle. It smells so good and I light it every time I clean the kitchen because it's like a reward, which is the sweetest thing ever. Shout out Courtney, thank you girl. Right now, Kate and I are gonna sit down and just like chill for a little bit. I'm gonna force myself to rest. We watched a movie called The Gorge the other day with Miles Teller. It was a great film. The Gorge. Highly recommend. 12 out of 10. Like, we were glued to the screen the entire time. Now we're trying to watch a movie like that, so we looked up one. So we're gonna watch, what was it called? Overlord? Yeah. So we're gonna try to watch that. I may start doing my vision board. We'll see how I feel. I have my computer here so that if I do want to start looking for pictures for it, I can. For my vision board, I always just kind of go on Pinterest and go from there, and then use Canva and just kind of create how I'm feeling. I'm also using my Rhode, this is the watermelon lip peptide treatment. You guys, I'm almost out of all my Rhode stuff from when I went to America in September. I got the tester kit for like the skincare, so I got the milk toner, peptide serum, the barrier butter. I think that was the 3 that was in the, oh, and the pineapple face wash. And then I got 2 of these, this one in watermelon, and then I got ribbon with the tint, and I have the pocket blush in Piggy. Love the pocket blush, love these. I haven't had any graininess or weird smell from either of them. When I did first try the skincare, I don't know what happened, but I thought I was having a reaction to it, but I was having a reaction to something else that was like burning my skin, so I took a break from using it, and then my skin was so dry during the winter, so I started using Rhode again, and Rhode literally saved my skin during the winter time. Like, I needed the barrier butter and the milky toner to like get the hydration to my skin. So now I'm so sad because the only thing that I have left is the milky toner. I've finished everything else and I desperately miss the barrier butter, but now that I have the collagen face masks, the overnight ones, that has really helped because those are extremely hydrating, so I love that. I'm really happy that everything went well with Rhode, because now when I go back, I'm getting a restock. Okay, we're gonna watch Overlord on the projector. Guys, I'm not taking my Christmas tree down yet. I don't care. I'm keeping it up. We have the projector on here, the Christmas tree there, and it's just an amazing vibe. Right, babe?
So amazing.
It is a little bit light out still, but honestly, I think we'll be good. I slept in the BioDance collagen mask last night, so we're gonna do a skin review. Oh my gosh, wow. I'm getting pelted in the face. Wait, let me actually do a little lippy. What is that? Is someone just hammering something? At first, I thought they were knocking at me and I was like, I'm not even being loud. But I think they're just building something, so then it's okay. I just got home from work. Please excuse how I sound. I also picked up medicine on my way home from work. I took that immediately when I got home. I'm hoping that it will make me feel better so that we can kick this flu or whatever I have out of here. Because I'm gonna be so honest, it doesn't even really feel like the new year if I'm like so sick, because I don't know, I feel like I need to be like healthy to have a fresh new year, if that makes any sense at all. I was thinking for today of doing some new nails because I've had these on since a while before Christmas and they're grown out. I'm gonna do a new nail set, and I was actually thinking about trying something new to kind of switch it up. I think I'm gonna do French tips but with pink lines. Very like cool girl vibe. I've never done that nail style before, so I really want to try something new. I'm really hoping I don't hate it, but I need to be prepared to lock in for the next few hours while I do my nails, because they just need a good touch up, a good fill, some reshaping. So I have my iPad here next to me. I'm gonna watch some YouTube vlogs or any shows that I want to catch up on or start watching. I feel like doing my nails is always like a good time and chance to catch up on anything that I want to watch. It has been blizzard the whole day, snowing, so beautiful. I love it. I honestly have been loving the little winter wonderland that we're having. It's so fun and I just love it. It's so fun to cozy up and like watch the snowfall on the balcony, still keeping the Christmas tree up, and then like watching a good show or a cozy movie. It's just, there's something about it. I just love it. I'm usually a summer girl through and through, but there's something about this winter that I've just absolutely loved hibernating and cozying up and just loving it. I'm so grateful for it. I feel like it's been a good time to recharge. I also feel like I've really gotten closer to myself this winter season. That's where I'm at right now. I'm gonna stop talking because I'm finding it really hard right now. But the vlog never stops, you guys. No matter how sick I am, I will always still vlog. I'm gonna watch my show, do my nails, and I'll come back with an update on how my nails turn out. Hi guys, happy Tuesday. I just got home from work and I wanted to show you my nails that I finished last night. I ended up finishing them I think around like 1 a.m. which is crazy because I started them well before, but I was actually having such a good time doing my nails and I was keeping up with the Kardashians and just watching my vlogs and my shows. So it was actually a really chill, good time. But I love how they turned out. I think they're so fun. And I haven't done a set like these before. Guys, happy Friday. I am baking some M&M cookies right now. We're gonna see how they turn out because I didn't really have like a recipe in mind. Dough is making me question if it's gonna work because I just kind of like looked up a random recipe because I knew I wanted to make mini M&M cookies, but it wasn't like I saw a recipe and was like, oh, I'm gonna do that. So I just kind of like found one last minute. I don't know. The dough was kind of weird, so we'll see what happens. I think next time maybe I'm just gonna wing it on my own because I feel like that would have turned out better. But anyway, they are all ready and on the tray. The oven is heating up right now and I'm gonna put them in just a moment. I really wanted to bake something today. I don't know, I kind of was craving like mini M&Ms, so I thought it'd be kind of fun and kind of random because it's not usually what I bake. Today was honestly really chill. I'm so addicted to Heyday again, you guys. It's so bad. I had to restart my Heyday. I used to play when I was younger. I didn't have access to it anymore, so I restarted the other day just as like something fun to do to kind of help me like calm my mind. That wasn't productive in a sense because I feel like I've also said this a lot on the vlog. I have a really hard time just like relaxing. Like I always feel like I need to be doing something productive. So that was something this year I wanted to do, was to find something that like genuinely like made me be able to relax. And so I got re-addicted to Heyday. I literally only started like 3 days ago, I think, and I'm already on level 26, but my farm is popping. So, but I've also been kind of working on some other projects today that I'm working on. So I've also had a mixture of playing Heyday and then also working on some projects as well. And I'm really intrigued on how these M&M cookies are gonna turn out. I actually don't want to talk about it. Let me show you what the first batch came out looking like. My masterpiece. I mean, it still tastes amazing, but I knew the dough, I knew there was gonna be an issue with it. So then I made a second batch and I made it really tiny and they still were like ginormous. And the way that I wanted it to be was so that the M&Ms would like be on top of it, but they all like melted through because the dough was so thin. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm never using that recipe again. I mean, they still taste amazing. They're just not pretty cookies, if that makes any sense. That was my baking excursion of the day. If you're new here, I promise I'm a lot better at baking than what you're witnessing right now. I also think tomorrow I might start a sourdough starter because I've been kind of wanting to do that for a while and I've been putting it off. Now that I have a lovely KitchenAid, I think I'm gonna actually try and do it. I think it'd be a fun little task too to try to do a good little challenge. We're gonna try that. I'm gonna end the vlog out here so that I can start next week's vlog tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog in this cozy snowstorm that we're having. I'm also really excited for next week because next week is gonna be really fun. Definitely stick around, subscribe if you aren't, and I will see you guys next week for another weekly vlog. Bye.